The printer must be turned on. Before you begin, make sure you have the replacement cartridge. Install the new cartridge immediately after removing the old one to prevent the print head nozzles from drying out. If an ink cartridge is expended, you see a message on the PC and on the LCD screen of the printer. If the cartridge is not an original Epson, the message could be not recognized cartridge or similar. Note which cartridge needs to be replaced. In this case, C means cayenne. Press the OK button. Then press the up arrow button. Lift up the scanner unit. Press on the tab on the ink cartridge and remove the cartridge. There are 4 cartridges. Remove only the cartridge you want to change. Remove the new cartridge from the package. Remove the yellow tape from the side of the cartridge. Do not remove any other labels. Do not touch the chip on the cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the holder and push it down until it clicks into place. Close the scanner unit. Press one of the Start buttons. Color or black is the same. The print head moves to its home position and the printer starts charging the ink. Epson says that it's not an original Epson cartridge. Who cares? When you see a confirmation message on the screen, the procedure is finished, and you can use the machine.